Day's footage is nothing short of harrowing, depicting rushing walls of flame and a fraught escape that could easily be mistaken for a sequence pulled from a dystopian film. His perilous voyage through the firestorm showcased potential perils such as collapsing trees and molten road surfaces, highlighting the extreme risk of traversing an active fire zone. Miraculously, Day emerged unharmed, a fortunate outcome that tragically did not hold true for all, as the blaze claimed the lives of 6 individuals and inflicted injuries upon 5 others, decimating entire communities in its wake.